Yesterday we had done the cleaning of the living room and the bedroom, and today we are almost done with the kids' room. Shh. Oh yes, sister. The cleaning of the kids' room is done. I think now let's get the lights for all the rooms. Mama, we have cleaned all the rooms. Living room, your bedroom, our bedroom. Now what should we do? And why are we putting lights? Yes, dear. We will require your help in putting up the lights in all the rooms. It is said that Goddess Lakshmi will find her way into our home using these lights. She will bring prosperity and remove all the evils from our home. Yes, dear. We will require your help in putting up the lights in all the rooms. Yes, sister. But let's search for the lights and get it for all the rooms. Yeah, you're right. Let's get it for our rooms. Come, Elsa. Let us also go and help them. Yeah, Anna. Let's go. I got the lights. Where is my sister? Oh, I'm right here. Even I got the lights. Wow. Okay, let's start putting up the lights. You start from that side and I'll start from this side. If we want, we'll call the girls to help us. Yes, good idea. Now let's check the light if they are working properly. As it is, we have arranged it pretty nicely. Oh wow! Oh wow! Amazing! The room is looking so pretty. Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! So now we are in our room. Let's put the lights and lit it up. True. Let's lit it up. Wow! Beautiful! Amazing! Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! This is our last room and now we have to put the lights in this room. Yes, let's put up the lights and look at this room, how it looks. I hope it looks beautiful. Oh, lovely it's looking. Wow! Wow, amazing! Yay! Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! So now we are done with putting up all the lights in all the rooms. Now we have to put lanterns as well. We'll do one thing, we'll make lanterns.